Okay, now we need to figure out how much we actually paid for all these items. Okay, so let's do that. So we got the ground beef, that ground chuck. We got a good price on that. It's regularly $4.49, and the sale is $2.49 per pound. So that's a pretty good deal. So what are we saving per pound? How much are we saving per pound? That's right, $2. We're saving $2 a pound, which is sweet. And so now we need to go back and figure out what the a dollar amount that we're actually saving is, so we can figure out how much will we actually pay. So the regular price is $14.23. The number of pounds is 3.17. Well, for me to figure out how much I saved, it's going to be how much per pound did I save times the number of pounds. Well, we're saving $2 a pound. We got 3.17 pounds. So how much do we save on this package of beef? Correct, $6.34. So now, how much are we paying? Well, you just have to take the regular price and subtract how much you saved. So the regular price, $14.23, how much we saved is $6.34. And so we pay how much for this ground beef? $7.89. So we're off to a good start. So now we're getting the burger buns. We're going to buy 2 packages, as I've stated, and want to have some extras. So obviously the cost of the buns is how many packages times how much per package. Well, we're buying 2. We can see that they're $1.79 a piece. So how much do we pay for the 2 packages of buns? Good, $3.58. All right, we're getting there. Now we're going to get some cheese. We found the good deal on the cheese. This one was $2.99. I'm just going to get 1 package, so it's just $2.99 for the cheese. Okay? Next up, we're getting ketchup, we're getting mustard, and we're getting pickles. Okay? So we want to figure out the cost of each one of those, and so we're just getting 1 of each. So it's $1, $1.69, and $1.29 because that mustard was on sale. So we just have to add those 3 together, $3.98. All right, what's next? Well, we got the tomato and the onion. Now this one's going to be a little bit more work because we got to do the cost is how much per pound times the number of ounces divided by 16. Well, why are we dividing by 16? Because 1 pound is equal to 16 ounces. That's why. And when we weighed each, it was in ounces. So when we're figuring out the cost for that tomato is 99 cents times 6, because that's how many ounces, divided by 16. So how much do we pay for that tomato? Correct, 37 cents. And then we're going to do the same thing over here, pardon me, for the onion. 99 cents a pound. We weighed that, it was 13 ounces. We got to divide by 16. So what's the price tag for that onion? Excellent, 80 cents. Now we're going to buy the fries. Okay? Well, I just am going to buy that 1 bag. It's $1.99 for that 1 bag, so that's what we're paying for the fries. Okay? Next, we got some ice cream because we're making those root beer floats, remember? And I found this one was 2 for $5. So I'm going to get 2 of those cartons, and how much am I going to pay? Well, I'm paying the $5 just like it said. Now I need to get what? Got to get that root beer. And again, I'm looking at that price tag and saying, hey, this is a pretty sweet deal. I'll end up drinking the root beer eventually. There's no rush to it. So I'm going to choose to buy 5 bottles. And how much do I pay? Well, how many bottles I buy times how much per bottle. Well, I'm buying 5 bottles. It tells me it's 99 cents a bottle if I buy in multiples of 5. So how much am I paying for those 5 bottles of root beer? Correct, $4.95. Now we can't forget the cookies. Can't forget the cookies. Got to have some of those at the end. So there's $4.99 for that. And so now at this point, all we need to do to figure out what we're going to pay to eat all that is just make the list. The burger, $7.89. The buns, $3.58. The cost of the cheese, $2.99. Cost of the ketchup, pickles, and mustard, $3.98. The onions and tomato, $1.17. The fries were $1.99. The ice cream was $5. The root beer was $4.95, and the cookies were $4.99. And so what am I going to do with all of those numbers? Well, dadgummit, I'm going to total it up, dude. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get the total. So I'm just going to take all of those numbers and I'm going to add them together, and I'm going to figure out my total cost for that trip to Pick 'n Save. So how much did I pay when I left there? $36.54. Excellent job. Now what I want to do is think about this. I want to think about what we paid to buy that food and compare it to what happened when we went to A&W. So when we were frying the burgers and stuff at home, it was $36.54 for the total, with the understanding that we still had food left over. We still had extra burger buns, cheese, and everything. Okay? We went to A&W, the four of us, and it was $39.01 for those 4 meals, and that was it. We didn't have anything left over. So just a little something to think about as you're comparing how much you spend for food at home and how much you spend when you go out to eat.